First of all, from a technical viewpoint, 10,000 grade class dust-free injection molding workshop adopts advanced dust-free technology and precision equipment, such as our workshop is equipped with Damac high-speed injection molding machine and Toshiba high-speed injection molding machine, with intelligent monitoring system to form a highly efficient automated production of the closed loop of the equipment. Automatically close the mold, automatic mold opening, to ensure the continuity of the production. The precise operation of fully automatic robotic arms, together with the in-mold monitoring system, makes the production process more controllable. In contrast, the ordinary workshop equipment is relatively simple, but in the production of some conventional products, they have a certain degree of practicality, such as automotive parts, electronic structure components, etc., and low cost to win greater price competitiveness in a highly competitive market. Secondly, in terms of practicality, due to the use of higher standards of cleanliness, 10,000 grade class dust-free injection molding workshop can better protect the product from contamination, improve the quality of the product, especially for those high-quality requirement products such as medical equipment, structural parts, automotive transparent parts, and so on. Comparatively speaking, ordinary workshops are the less costly, may face some quality control challenges in highly quality requirement field products. However, in the trade-off between the high quality and the low cost, there is no clear winner or loser. It has advantages in terms of high quality, but is more costly, while a general workshop is more attractive in the terms of low cost, but may be limited in terms of high quality requirements. Therefore, enterprises need to consider comprehensively according to the actual needs and budget when choosing. They need to weigh and choose according to their product positioning, market demand, and financial situation. So, do you agree with me?